Well, guess what? My microwave broke. It doesn't work. But it's from 2004, so it'll get fixed in a couple weeks once the service guys come with all their parts. So I decided I want to go watch a movie, and guess what? I got no microwave to make popcorn. So that's a no-go. So I had an idea. Microwaves aren't that good for you anyway, so guess what? Back to old school. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show y'all how to make this stuff again, considering we all got spoiled with microwaves. Start first off by making sure you have this type of a stove top right there. And you're going to peel this cardboard off. And now that you got the cardboard off, you see you have your bottom here with the black, and you got your tinfoil right there. You're going to put this heat up to roughly about an 8, 7.5, 8. And now this thing's going to start to sizzle. And when it sizzles, you got to start moving it. You'll see in a few seconds. And it's actually sizzling right now. So I'm going to start moving it like this. Directions say circular motion. Ooh, it's smelling good like popcorn now. Gotta keep this up for about a minute. And before you know it, turned it off. Still got the heat that was left over. Next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to cut this like this. And I'm going to pour this right into that bowl. Discard. And Oliver Redenbacher actually makes an actual movie theater butter. So there you go. We got some real popcorn. Finger licking good. That's better than the microwave.